Have you ever wondered why meditation is so important and how it could change your life? Meditation, a practice that calms the mind and soothes the soul, has gained tremendous popularity worldwide in recent years. It's more than just a trend, it's a lifestyle. People from different backgrounds, professions, and ages have woven meditation into the fabric of their daily routines. From high-powered executives seeking a moment of tranquility amidst the chaos, to artists looking for a spark of inspiration, to students aiming to stay focused in their studies, they've all found a common ally in meditation. And what they've experienced isn't just subjective. Science backs up the benefits of this ancient practice too. It's fascinating how something as simple as focused breathing and stillness can bring about profound changes in our lives. So, let's journey together into the world of meditation. Let's dive deeper into the art of meditation and discover how you can integrate it into your daily routine. So, what exactly is meditation, and why is it so beneficial for us? Imagine you're standing at the edge of a busy highway, cars whizzing by, horns blaring. It's all a bit overwhelming, isn't it? Now think of your mind as that busy highway, with thoughts as the cars. Meditation is like finding a quiet footpath away from the chaos, where you can observe the traffic without being part of it. It's a practice of training your mind to focus and redirect your thoughts, creating a sense of calm and inner peace. Now let's delve a bit deeper. There are many types of meditation practices, each with its unique benefits. Mindfulness meditation, for example, encourages you to observe wandering thoughts as they drift through your mind. The goal isn't to get involved with the thoughts or to judge them, but simply to be aware of each mental note as it arises. This can help reduce stress and improve emotional well-being. Then there's transcendental meditation, which involves repeating a mantra, a word or a series of words, in a specific way. This practice allows your body to settle into a state of profound rest and relaxation, while your mind achieves a state of inner peace, without needing to use concentration or effort. We also have loving kindness meditation, which is designed to promote feelings of compassion and love, both for oneself and others. It involves silently repeating a series of mantras that express love and kindness, making it a great tool for fostering positive relationships and self-esteem. And there's more. Each type of meditation serves a unique purpose, whether it's promoting relaxation, enhancing self-awareness, reducing negative emotions, or fostering a kinder attitude towards oneself and others. So why meditate? Well, studies have shown that regular meditation can help reduce stress, improve focus and memory, increase emotional well-being, and even slow aging. It's like a workout for your mind, strengthening your mental muscles and endurance. With so many benefits, it's clear why meditation is becoming a vital part of people's lives. Now that we understand the importance of meditation, it's time to prepare for your first meditation session. When it comes to meditation, it's essential to create a serene and peaceful setting. This could be a quiet corner of your home, or perhaps a tranquil spot outdoors. Wherever you choose, make sure it's a place where you feel at ease and can be undisturbed. Comfort is key in meditation, so ensure you have a good seating arrangement. A cushion, a chair, or even a yoga mat. Whatever suits you best. Remember, the goal is to be comfortable enough to focus solely on your meditation, not on any physical discomfort. The clothes you wear can also have an impact. Opt for loose, comfortable clothing. You don't want anything tight or restrictive that could distract you. Lastly, approach meditation with a relaxed mindset. Clear your mind and be open to the experience. Don't stress about doing it right, just let it happen. With these preparations, you're all set for your first meditation session. Are you ready to start your journey towards mindfulness and peace? Here's a simple step-by-step guide to help you meditate. Meditation is not a complex process, but a simple practice that you can incorporate into your daily routine. It's all about focusing your mind, observing your thoughts and feelings without judgment, and gently returning your focus to your breath when your mind starts to wander. Let's dive in. The first step is to find a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. It can be a corner of your room, a garden, or even a quiet park. The goal is to find a place where you can relax and focus without distractions. Next, sit in a comfortable position. You can sit on a chair, on the floor, or even on a cushion. The key is to keep your back straight, but not tense. Close your eyes gently and place your hands on your knees or in your lap. Now let's turn our attention to the breath. Breathe naturally without trying to control it. Simply observe each inhalation and exhalation. Feel the air entering and leaving your body. Notice how your chest rises and falls with each breath. This act of focusing on your breath is the essence of meditation. As you continue to focus on your breathing, you'll notice that thoughts will start to arise. This is completely normal. The mind is used to constantly thinking, and it's not easy to switch it off. The key here is not to resist these thoughts, but to observe them without judgment. Think of your mind as a clear blue sky, and your thoughts as clouds passing by. Some clouds are fluffy and light, while others may be dark and stormy. Regardless of the type of cloud, it's important to remember that they are just visitors in the sky. They come and go, but the sky remains unchanged. Similarly, your thoughts are just visitors in your mind. They come and go, but your awareness, your consciousness remains unchanged. When you notice your mind wandering, gently bring your focus back to your breath. There's no need to judge yourself or feel frustrated. Remember, meditation is not about having an empty mind, but about learning to be present and aware. As you continue this practice, you might experience moments of silence where thoughts seem to disappear, and all that remains is the rhythm of your breath. These moments might be brief at first, but with regular practice, they can become longer and more frequent. One crucial thing to remember is that there's no right or wrong way to meditate. Every person's experience is unique. Some days your mind might be calm, and on other days it might be restless. That's perfectly okay. The goal of meditation is not to achieve a state of eternal bliss, but to cultivate awareness and acceptance of what is. Lastly, it's important to close your meditation session gently. When you feel ready, slowly bring your attention back to your surroundings. Notice the sounds around you. Feel the ground beneath you. Open your eyes gently, take a deep breath, and slowly get up. Remember, it's normal for your mind to wander. The key is to bring your focus back gently and without judgment. This practice of mindfulness and meditation is a journey, not a destination. So, be patient with yourself and enjoy the journey towards peace and mindfulness. So, you've completed your first meditation session. What's next? The key to truly unlocking the benefits of meditation lies in regular practice. It's like watering a plant. You can't just do it once and expect it to thrive. It's the consistent nurturing that allows it to flourish. Similarly, meditation needs to be a part of your daily routine, even if it's for a few minutes. Imagine a serene lake. The tranquility isn't achieved in a day. It's the constant flow of water that maintains its peace. Meditation is no different. It's the steady flow of mindfulness that brings about a calm mind and a peaceful heart. You don't have to spend hours in silence. Just a few minutes each day can make a significant difference. Start small and gradually increase your meditation time. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. With consistent practice, meditation can become a transformative part of your daily routine. As we conclude our journey today, remember that the path to mindfulness is a personal one. This path is not a one-size-fits-all, and that's the beauty of it. It's a journey that you tailor to your needs, your experiences, and your aspirations. Meditation, in its diverse forms, provides you with a toolbox of techniques. Perhaps you'll find tranquility in guided meditation, or maybe your peace will come from silent reflection. The key is to explore, experiment, and find what resonates with you. But remember, patience is your ally in this journey. It's not about perfection, but progress. It's about showing up for yourself day after day, creating a space for your mind to breathe. Consistency is what transforms this practice from a mere activity into a transformative journey. We invite you to try meditation and share your experiences. Together, we can explore the path to mindfulness and create a more peaceful world.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment,